Hi, I'm Thomas Lee, and I'm here with 10 cool PowerShell version 3 features that you'll find in Windows Server 2012. Now, in this video, what I want to look at is number 7, Updatable Help. Now, I believe help is one of the coolest features of PowerShell, period. Help is a key feature that's been there since V1, both online and in the box. There's an excellent writing team, and they actually fix bugs. But part of the problem that we have with help is around the way in which things get updated. Now, in general, any component that's shipped with Windows Server 2012, and that's also included anything shipped with Windows 7, Vista, and so on, those can only be fixed, updated, by the normal update mechanism. So the question is a help text bug, an error, a typo, important enough to raise a critical fix? Probably not. Is it important enough to raise a recommended hotfix? Probably not. Is it important enough to be fixed in a service pack? Probably not. But it's still broken. So in the V2 and V1 scenarios, we didn't really have a solution. But now, the solution is actually kind of innovative, although it may sound a bit curious at first. Basically, there is no help in the box. So therefore, there's nothing to update. But if we have the update help command, that can actually update it. And because it hasn't shipped in the box, we can update those updates later. Now that may sound convoluted. Welcome to my world. But the thing is, it works and allows us to get updated help. Let's actually have a look at how this works. It's actually pretty simple. What we have is we have this lovely feature called Update Help. Now, I'll run my demo. And what we'll do first off is I'm going to update help. And I'm just going to go for the module Microsoft PowerShell Management. I'm going to force those and do it verbose. Now, the force is required because I've actually been testing this, and you're only allowed by default to update help once a day. If you use the force parameter, it goes up anyway. And the verbose switch tells us what we've actually gone and seen. So now, when I go off, I've now updated that actual bit of help for that one module. Now, in most cases, you'd probably update everything, but I'm not going to do that today. It'll take a bit of time. If you have a look at the help-based commandlets, we have get help and update help. We also have save help. This is going to be kind of interesting. If I created a folder, saved help, and then if I go and save help, force again, in this case, I'm going to just get the help for the module Microsoft PowerShell Management, and I'll do verbose, but I'll save it in that destination file. So now when I've saved that, or when save help finishes, what will be done is all the stuff that's related to that help file is now, that module rather, is now stored in the folder. And as you can see, there are actually two files there. There's a CAB file and an XML file. And in updated help, the XML describes what's actually in the CAB file. There's a little bit of XML which tells what locale, English US, English UK, and so on. And then the Microsoft blah, 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 help content on CAB are the actual files that get help. Now with that loaded, I can now use help on any of the commandlets that are in that module. So I think you can see this is a pretty powerful feature. And one of the first things I do whenever I install Windows PowerShell on any machine is to update help. So thanks, and come back and see the rest of my top 10 hits for PowerShell version 3.